It is currently 2:48 on, what day is it? December 29. I was supposed to meal prep yesterday, like during the day when I came back from work, but for some reason we had a power outage because of a small tornado storm warning. So I decided to wait until we get our power back, and we got our power back. I woke up just randomly in the night, and I believe the Holy Spirit was like, get up and meal prep. So that's what I'm doing. And then I also thought, I haven't done an update on like my current meal prepping, and this time I'm gonna be adding breakfast to it instead of just doing dinner, because I think if I can get the first meal and the last meal prepped, like the middle will be a lot easier to do if I have to like make it throughout the day. What I'm meal prepping is ground turkey, roasted vegetables, and roasted sweet potatoes. I've already put the sweet potatoes in the oven. I made a time lapse of me cutting the potatoes, so I'll put that in here. But yeah, what I want to meal prep for breakfast is a recipe on TikTok called protein bagels, and basically all you do is 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of Greek yogurt, and then 1 egg so that it'll like rise and be fluffy. And then you knead all that together, make it into the bagel shape, and then you just put it in the oven. So I'm gonna do that and make like a breakfast sandwich out of it that I can warm and take to work with me for the week, and we'll see how that goes. I think it's gonna be really good. I'm so excited. It's 6:24. Potatoes are done, and then a third of the vegetables is done, and then I'm gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes, and then that'll be done, and then I will start distributing it into 10 bowls for a week and a half. It took about 3 hours, which is my fastest time. Usually it takes me about 4.5, but I think I'm getting better at doing this routine. So is being cut. Time is being cut. Basically, yeah. I'm officially done. It's 6:58. I was wrong. I started at 2:48, and then now it's 6:58. So that would be 4 hours and 10 minutes. But I got 11 bowls for myself. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 bowls. And then these 4 up here, one is for my mom, my sisters, and my dad, just so that they can taste, because I had a lot of extra. In each bowl, I was able to put 3 whole scoops of like the vegetable mix, 2 whole scoops of sweet potatoes like underneath, and then 1.5 of the ground turkey. This one doesn't have any sweet potatoes, but it has like an excess of vegetables, so I just wanted to make an extra bowl. So yeah, this should last me about a week and a half, and I'm very, very proud of myself. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. That is my updated meal prep for dinner. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna do the bagels like after I wake up. But yeah, thanks.